All right, number 13. A cargo helicopter delivers only 100-pound packages and 120-pound packages. For each delivery trip, the helicopter must carry at least 10 packages, and the total weight of the package can be at most 1,100 pounds. What's the maximum number of 120-pound packages a helicopter can carry per trip? Okay, we want to know the maximum 120 packages, 120-pound packages that it can carry. Okay. Since we know what's the biggest possible value, we could go through our answer choices and we can try out the answer choices starting with the biggest number. Okay, so let's start with 6 because that's the biggest number. So if 6 works, then that will be our answer, right? So let's try it. So if you have 6 120-pound packages, right? So it'd be 6 times 120 for the total weight of those packages, right? But don't forget, we do have to carry at least 10 packages, right? So if you have 6 120-pound packages, then the other 4, we have to have at least 10. So we need to have 4 other packages. And we want the other 4, we should carry the lighter package, right? So to make the weight as light as possible here. So the other 4, we want to do the 100-pound packages. That's the only other option we have. So the total weight here, if we solve this, 6 times 120 will be what? Will be 720, right? Plus 4 times 100 will be 400. So we add them up, that's what? And that's 1,120. Right, see, this is actually just a little bit over the weight limit, right? So weight limit is 1,100. So we cannot go higher than that. So unfortunately, 6 won't work. Right, 6 is just a little bit higher. So if we do 5, that should probably work, right? Since we're just a little bit over, yeah. So we should try 5. That should be good. But let's just confirm it, right? So we have 5 120-pound packages. So the total weight for those packages will be 5 times 120. And then now we have to have at least 10 packages. So we should have 5 more. And the other 5 had to be 100-pound packages. So it'll be 5 times 100 there. All right, so let's solve for total weight. So we will do 5 times 120, which is 600, plus 5 times 100 is 500. Add them up, that's 1,100. So it's exactly 1,100. And here it says the total weight package can be at most 1,100. So it could be equal to 1,100, right? So it just cannot be more than that. So that should be good. Okay, so letter C will work. And so that should be our final answer. Okay, so for a question like this, we want to know what's the maximum or the minimum possible number. We can, for this one, see, we want to know the maximum number of possible packages. So we start from the biggest number and then check the answer choice as we go down. If it doesn't work, we go smaller and double check. Okay, so for number 13, our final answer should be letter C.